Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to review iOS 18 official version on the iPhone 12. So let's get started. Now the iPhone 12 was released in October 2020. Now it's almost over a 4-year-old phone and still does get the major upgrade. So if you wanted to upgrade, you can upgrade to iOS 18. Now it comes with a 14 bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. So it still has enough power to be able to handle a major upgrade like this, and most likely you'll probably get another upgrade next year as well. So you can upgrade to iOS 18 if you haven't done so. Check out our link on how to do it. And when you do upgrade it, you can take advantage of most of the features that's new to iOS 18 in terms of software, from things around customizing your app now, color, tint, and the home screen itself. A lot going around there. Things around the control center, you'll be able to go ahead and see there's a new redesign of the whole control center where you can have the ability to do a lot more customization, sort of ability to go ahead and add the controls that you really truly want, and you can move things around as well to give you easier access to all the controls. You can go ahead and swap out your lock screen controls to different things as well, instead of just having those cameras or the flashlight. Things around messaging, you can now do bold, italics, underline, strike through, so a lot of animation effects on the texting itself. Another big update. Things around emojis as well. Now you can double tap to react to things, and then you can also schedule text messages and then lock and hide apps as well. You'll see a redesign of the photo app that allows you to relive your trips, as it's mentioned here. So those are the major feature update on iOS 18, which are supported on the iPhone 12 year. You can take advantage of those once you upgrade to it. Now, one thing that it is lacking on iOS 18, and it will probably not get, that is Apple Intelligent. Apple Intelligent is going to be only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and newer, and that might be why Apple would be pushing users to upgrade to the new iPhone 16 Pro that was just released specifically for that. I believe this is because of a limitation of the hardware, just 4 gigs, and that A14 bionic chip might not be able to handle that. Now, one thing you're going to be wondering is whether or not how the performance have been on iOS 18. So one thing I will say on iOS 18 is that initially there was a little bit of dip in the battery and it felt a little bit buggy and glitchy. That's probably normal because when you upgrade to a major upgrade, but after a few days or so it seems to be much stable. There is a bug fix for some issues that were addressed in the latest iOS 18.0.1 upgrade as well, that you can go ahead and upgrade to, and that's been stable. But aside that, I haven't noticed any issues, but of course everyone is different. That's why if you have iPhone 12, or if you're thinking about upgrading it to it, or if you upgrade to it, let us know how your experience has been on iOS 18 on your iPhone 12. Would love to hear from it. But for me, I think it has been stable. You can always wait till 18.1 if you're not comfortable upgrading to it. You can still stay on iOS 17, and if you don't really care about those new features, just you can use that as well. But I'll say that iOS 18 again works good on the iPhone 12, and it's probably going to get the major upgrade. It's still a great phone if you're still using it. Don't consider upgrading to the new 16 lineup. But if you do consider upgrading to the iPhone 16 lineup, do check out our unboxing videos and our reviews of it as well. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices and reviews like this. We'll see you guys next time.